In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and restore archived projects in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I had archived one project under one of these spaces, and that is project 1. However, I'd like to go ahead and find it and restore it. To do that, first we need to know where it is or to find it. And for that, we need to go ahead and enable archive in our spaces. To enable it, first head over to spaces here and then click on these 3 dots and click on show archived. So if you toggle this on, now if you go under the project that you had archived, you can see my project 1 has been shown. However, it is still archived. That's why it is written in italics. To restore this, just right click on it and then you will see we have this option, an archive. If you click on this, now you can see our project has been restored. So that's how you can restore an archived project in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.